Hey everybody, welcome back to It's Only Food with Chef John Politte. Today we're going to be showing you how to make McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. Hit it! Alright, well thanks a lot for watching. If this is your first time, don't forget to smash that subscribe button and then hit that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload content. Like I said, we are going to be making McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. So let's check out what our ingredients are for this. We're going to need a 1/4 cup of peach preserves, a 1/4 cup of apricot preserves, 2 tablespoons of light corn syrup, 5 teaspoons of white vinegar, 1½ teaspoons of cornstarch, 1½ teaspoons of soy sauce, a 1/2 teaspoon of yellow mustard, a 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/8 teaspoon of garlic powder, and then 2 tablespoons of water. Alright, there's the ingredients. Let's start making it. Alright, basically what we're going to do is I've got a food processor right here. It's not actually a food processor, it's more of a NutriBullet. But I'm just going to take all of our ingredients, both the jams, the garlic and the salt are in the same one. Got our light corn syrup, the mustard, the soy sauce, the vinegar. Everything but the water is going to go into this. It's all in there. We're just going to put the lid on tight, put it right in the processor. Got a small pan. We're just going to pour that mixture that we just blended up into our small pan. Take it over to our burner. Alright, so you got this mixture in a small pot. We're just going to add those water that's in there in our list of ingredients. We're going to stir it really well. And we're just going to let this come to a boil and simmer for about 5 minutes. Alright, well there you go. McDonald's sweet and sour sauce. Let's see how it tastes now. And you don't have to grind this up in a processor. That's more for texture and for authenticity of the way it looks when they put it in the little packages and everything. But the flavor shouldn't be any different. So, oh yeah. Good blend of flavor, sweet and sour. That peach and that apricot preserve gives it a nice color. So, real deal here. I do want to note that the chicken McNuggets in this shot were not McDonald's chicken nuggets. I got them at the store, so just to be careful. I don't want to mislead anybody by thinking these are real chicken McNuggets, so please don't put anything in the comment section regarding that. I appreciate you watching. Make sure you hit that description box to see the recipe and the process for this. Go ahead and hit that like button, leave a comment below, subscribe if you haven't done so, and then, as always, share this with everybody that you know. Take care. We will see you next time. Bye-bye.